Applying for an apartment in New York City can be overwhelming, but don't worry, at Regalia, we're here to walk you through every step and make it as smooth as possible. Step 1. Application request. The first step is submitting a $500 good faith deposit. This goes toward your total move-in cost and is fully refundable if you're not approved or decide not to move forward. You can send the deposit via Zelle or Venmo. Just make sure to include your name and the apartment address in the memo. Then, fill out the general office form and sign the deposit agreement. Remember to write Jose Aguilera in the Name of Agent section. Once you've sent it, take a quick screenshot and share it with your agent. This helps us confirm the payment with our team right away. After we confirm your deposit, you'll receive an email with your application forms. This can take a few hours depending on volume. But don't worry, this is completely normal. Just keep an eye on your inbox. Now, Step 2. Application forms. When the email arrives, you'll find 2 forms to complete. Let's focus on the first one. This form asks for your personal and employment information. Take your time and make sure you complete each page. If you're a freelancer, international, or student, we've worked with many applicants like you and can guide you through the additional paperwork needed. The second form and final step is our secure YMark portal, where you'll upload your documents and complete a credit check. Here's what you'll need to upload as an applicant or guarantor. Each person must upload their own documents and complete their own credit check, so make sure everyone involved is ready to go. Inside the YMark portal, you'll go through 6 simple steps. You'll start with personal information, current residency, and desired residency. Next, depending on your status, you'll complete and upload your income information. Then comes the legal section. You'll review and sign the New York Discrimination Disclosure Form and the NY Broker Agreement. If you're applying with a roommate or a guarantor, you can invite them or add their details if they're not filling out their own application. The last 2 steps are to confirm your information and pay the fee. After you finish your YMark application, you'll receive a confirmation email. That email includes a special link you can use to edit your application or upload any missing documents later on. No need to start from scratch. So if anything changes or your agent asks for something else, you can just go back to that email and update it any time. We know it's a lot of steps, but you're not doing it alone. With Regalia and TorsX, you'll have real support, clear guidance, and a stress-free path to your new home. Thanks for choosing Regalia. Let's get you home.